This is an avocado, and this is a podcast. That makes this an avocado podcast.
You are now listening to The Young Good, a podcast for the goods. Hello and welcome to the Young Good Musical Showcase. I'm Rodney, and this is where I curate music from my long gone days as a musician. Between 2009 and 2012, I was a rapper, singer, songwriter, beatmaker, you name it, who went by the name Dirty Sexy Rodney. Dirty Sexy for short. These bonus episodes are a way for me to share a special part of my history with you guys, and every song is available on SoundCloud via the link in the description. It's the month of love, so this bonus episode of the Musical Showcase has me digging into my catalogue of dirty sexy music to bring you the dirtiest, sexiest songs for the lovers in the house. I'll be showcasing two songs. One of them is an original, the other is a cover of a popular song from back then. Both of them feature my partner in musical crime, Patrick, aka Young Cheesy. And when I say crime, I mean crime, because he and I did something nasty to these tracks. First things first, these aren't love songs. These are songs about what happens later in the evening, after the Valentine's Day dinner. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. This is Dirty Sexy After Dark. If there are any kids listening, I suggest you pause right now and go to bed. This ain't for you. This is for the adults, those who know what's up. Second thing you should know is this isn't a rap song. This is R&B, meaning Cheesy and I used our singing voices with heavy assistance from Auto-Tune. We had so much fun doing this, you'll have no idea. And by the time you're done listening, you're going to wonder how we actually sat down in a room together to write these songs. And the answer? When you're single, you tend to find time to write about your fantasies or your past exploits, which is where we drew from to create this music. The first song is called Grand Theft Auto Tune, named after the popular video game Grand Theft Auto. Clever, innit? Fun fact, this was the first song we ever used auto-tune on. And boy, did we abuse it. This song is about the stimulating effects of my auto-tuned voice on this lady who has come to me to get away from her less than satisfactory fiance. Yes, she's actually engaged, and towards the end, she wanted me to replace her groom, but I had to decline. It's a crazy short story we put together. Have a listen.
You already know. Yeah.
One beat maker, the hit maker.
Dirty sexy. Yeah. It's your boy Cheesy. You already know. Yeah. You know this auto-tune is turning you on. The way my voice is flowing through the song. I know you worried, but there's nothing wrong. Forget about him, he is not the one. This is Grand Theft Auto-Tune. Auto-Tune. This is Grand Theft Auto-Tune. Auto-Tune. Back to my place, smile on her face. She's so glad, but the sweet escape. I kiss her on her lips, bite her on her tits. I'm gonna get away and eat that pussy to bits. After I lick her like a lollipop, the panties drop, her pussy pop. I take her down, call me Robocop. I got her wet, then a fucking map. Hands in the air, hands on the wall. Scream out loud, no one can hear you call. Sex to the beat, head to your feet. I'm gonna make you come so you want to repeat. You know this auto-tune is turning you on. The way my voice is flowing through the song. I know you worried, but there's nothing wrong. Forget about him, he is not the one. This is Grand Theft Auto-tune. Auto-tune. This is Grand Theft Auto-tune. Auto-tune.
Baby boo, is you and me, no run away. It's getting dark and I'ma show you the right way. In the blanket we gon' start with a foreplay. Your pussy's mine, I ain't scared, I ain't gotta pay. I'm a good on you, baby, make it real nice. I got a shot on lady, I will make you come twice. When I get the beat cold, but you love the dice. Your pussy's freaking cold, cause my mom got two big eyes. Forget your boyfriend, what we do is right. I'll be your best friend, we ain't gotta fight. So when you hold with me by your side, baby, you know you ain't gotta hide.
You know this auto-tune is turning you on. The way my voice is flowing through the song. I know you worried, but there's nothing wrong. Forget about him, he is not the one. This is Grand Theft Auto-tune. Auto-tune. This is Grand Theft Auto-tune. Auto-tune. We can do this daily,
or we can do this weekly.
I got you feeling needy.
I got a key to your city.
On the wedding day,
you don't have to stay.
We can get together for one last hooray.
I get under your gown,
show up at your town,
put my key,
turn your frown upside down.
Up against the door.
You have never been more sure.
Now you're bright to be,
but you just wanna be with me. I must decline, I'm sorry. You know this auto-tune is turning you on. The way my voice is flowing through the song. I know you worried, but there's nothing wrong. Forget about him, he is not the one. This is Grand Theft Auto-tune. Auto-tune. This is Grand Theft Auto-tune. Auto-tune.
Imagine spending Valentine's night with another guy while your fiancé is waiting for you at home. The streets, man. The streets. Things must be really dire. Dump him, sis. Dump his ass. Now for the next song. It's a cover of Kelly Rowland's hit song, Motivation, featuring Lil Wayne, which came out in 2011. Damn. 10 years ago, I was up to some incredible stuff, wasn't I? This is another auto-tune song where Chizzy and I sing the pants off another fictional babe. In this case, she's not engaged or anything, so I could really give her my full attention and commitment, if you know what I mean. Under the moonlight, all night, a successful Valentine's evening. Guys, I like to think I saved the best for last on this episode because this is the song where you can tell that we finally mastered the auto-tune effect and we really upped the quality of our music. See if you can tell the difference between Grand Theft Auto-tune and this one, which is called Baby You Know. Baby You Know. And it's a cover for Motivation, so let's get it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, nah, 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 nah. You're looking fresh, my swag is right. After the club, we go home, we gon' make it right. No pussy smell, lick it all night. Deep inside your girl, make your water falling all night. And when I squeeze my dick, the top get bigger. The look in your eyes, girl, I know you got a fever. Feel free, lick that lolly, you a dick pleaser. Spit on it, keep it dirty, make that dick feel like a winner. Fuck me if I wrong, I think you came twice already. I suck it, fuck it, got your pussy swollen, baby. Give and get head, call it mutual satisfaction. The pussy got red, call it brutal transformation.
Baby, you know what you be waiting for. Baby, you know I'm gonna lay you down. We can go another round, girl. Baby, you know I'm here to make you flow. Baby, you know it's dirty, sexy, young, cheesy. You already know. Okay. Okay. Alright. It's you and I, moonlight, doing things all night. I explore your body, tongue first, and where it goes, ain't nobody knows. Every time feels like the first time. I go down, I attack. She returned the favor, cut a tweet back. I eat her good, midnight snack. I'm getting tired, but she keep me going. She like a faucet, and I keep her flowing. Don't you worry, cause we ain't there yet. Wanna bet? Just give me half an hour, we'll finish in the shower. You know my game is crazy, cause you call me Austin Power. And I know you got me like, oh yeah, baby, yeah. And you don't need to worry, no need to hurry, cause baby, you know what you be waiting for. Baby, you know I'm gonna lay you down. We can go another round, girl. Baby, you know I'm here to make you flow. Baby, you know it's dirty, sexy, young, cheesy. You already know. Oh yeah. Baby, girl, you already know. Okay.
Pussy popping, yeah, that pussy's popping. The cell phone is ringing, hey, nobody stopping. Keep riding, baby, riding like a minute, baby. Keep that pussy on me, baby. Fuck me like you want it, baby. Kitchen, bathroom, my penis harder than a broom. Couches, bedroom, I know you want me as a groom. Waiting room, I know you're coming soon. You don't have to wait, you know, cause I make it bada boom.
Feel free to bite on me. Feel free to grip on me. Feel free to call on me. Feel free, ooh, feel free. I got your back in ways you can't imagine. I hope you don't mind, cause your boobies I be grabbing. Eat my carrot, eat it like a rabbit. You know I know you want it, girl, and you can't have it, cause baby, you know I'm here to make you flow. Baby, you know it's dirty, sexy, young, cheesy. You already know. Okay.
It's dirty, sexy, young, cheesy, you already know. What? I still got it, bro. I still got it. Young Cheesy, wherever you are in the world right now, God bless you. These were the times of my life and you were a big part of it. God bless you. So, did you enjoy it? Did you feel what we're feeling? I mean, like I always say in all these episodes, we're just silly young guys just having fun with it and just, creating and putting stuff into the world. And this is just me reliving it all and just reflecting on the younger years, because shit, time moves so fast. Look at it. We're in 2021. 2020 was just yesterday. Last year, we're busy, worried about whether we'll survive and make it to 2021. And now it seems like yesterday. It all seems like a dream. In a couple of days, man, we just had a new president being put in the White House in America. Like, where does the time go? So this episode is so important to me, just to, remember my humble beginnings and to take you guys on that journey back, just to get to know this dude who you guys listen to week in, week out. So you can listen to these songs as well as any other songs I've featured so far without any commentary on SoundCloud. The link is in the description. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed this half as much as I enjoyed putting it together. See you next week for more Young God. Dirty Sexy out.
It's dirty, sexy, young, cheesy.